Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add indices on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software, and after that, go to this place. Okay. Then after that, click on the right click. Then go to symbols, click on it, and as you can see here, we have indexes. Click on it, and here we have the indices. So we have the Nasdaq here, we have the S&P here. Okay, so let's say you want to add the Nasdaq 100. Click on it and click on show symbol. As you can see, the Nasdaq 100 is here. So let's say you want to add also the S&P. Choose this one, S&P Standard & Poor's 500, and click on show symbol, and after that click on OK. Now drag it and drop it on the chart, and as you can see, this is the Nasdaq. Now the market is closed because it's Sunday. As you can see here, it's Saturday, sorry. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.